Hello everyone, this is Asif Ahmed once again in front of you with another new video. Hope you all are safe and fine by the grace of Almighty. And today in this video I will share some tips and applications, mobile applications which will make you a good English learner. If you want to learn English, first of all you have to be a good English learner. Then easily you can learn English. So if you are an English learner, you must have to have two applications. One is a dictionary and Google Translator application. So I have English to Bangla dictionary as my native language is Bangla. So you can download dictionary, English to your native language, and you must have to have Google Translator application. So in the description I have shared two links of these two applications you can download. I know many of you already have those applications, but I'm giving a reminder for those people who don't have those applications. So whenever you get any unknown vocabulary or unknown phrases, you can use those applications. So when you get any unknown vocabulary, you can use dictionary, and whenever you get any unknown sentences or phrases, you can use Google Translator. And when you want to speak, you can't translate something. How can you say some expression? You can use Google Translator. You can use it English to your native language or your native language to English. So it's very helpful application. So please download those two applications. One is dictionary and second one is Google Translator. And Google Translator is day by day improving, So it's good enough. So please download those applications. And then you have to keep a notebook if you want to be a good English learner. Whenever you get any new vocabulary or new expressions, what you want to use in your speaking, please write down those phrases or sentences. When we learn any new vocabulary or sentences, we learn and we think that we can remember, but ultimately we forget. That's true. When we learn any new thing, we think, okay, now I have learned it, I can remember, but ultimately you will forget. So whenever you learn any new vocabulary and phrases, if you want to use those things in your speaking, then write down. So whenever you learn any vocabulary sentences, everything you should not write. What thing you want to use in your speaking, just write down in your notebook. It could be any new vocabulary, any new expression, phrases, or any new grammatical structure. Whenever you learn anything new, just write it down in your notebook. You can keep two notebooks. One is pocket notebooks, which you can carry, and one is permanent notebook or big notebook. You can use mobile application notebook for pocket notebook, but of course you have to have a notebook which is handwriting notebook. You have to write it down by your hand. So please keep a notebook. So you can use Android application or mobile application for pocket notebook, but ultimately you have to have a handwriting notebook. So actually I make videos in English. If you don't understand my videos, you can turn on the subtitle from the video option. So try to understand my videos, and I will be uploading some other videos on situational conversations, topic based conversation. I'm sharing some English story. So when you watch those videos, if you don't know the meaning of some particular words, just use those applications and find the meaning. If you want to use those things in your speaking, just write it down in your notebook. So this is the ultimate process you have to follow if you want to be a good English learner. So that's all about today's video. Please stay connected with my channel. I will be uploading some other videos, and I'm really happy because many of you have subscribed to my channel, and you are doing comment. So I'm really happy for that, and I hope you will stay connected with my channel, and I hope I will be able to help you to learn this language, English language. So that's all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching this video.